Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this black smoky eye look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm not going to be showing you that foundation baking and everything, setting all the base. I'm just going to be quick with that and I'll get back to you when I am on the eye section. Are you ready for the magic? Woohoo! So the base is done. I haven't blended this and I'm going to be doing that with my big brush. Bob is visiting and his friends are visiting. Yeah, it's because of the mask, I don't know. I'm just going to clean the excess powder with a clean brush. Next is to fill your eyebrows. The eyebrows are done. Next I'm going to be taking this palette from Wet n Wild. I'm going to be taking this shade first. This palette is Nude Awakening and it's a very nice palette. It's under 500 rupees and it's very nice. I really like it. Don't put this direct. थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट लेना है, डस्ट ऑफ करना है. I just did this shade just to neutralize my eyes. From my blush, contour and highlight palette, I'm gonna take this brown shade. Next I'm gonna take this Nika Rock the Line Kajal pencil. I'm gonna do a rough eyeliner like this. Next I'm going to be taking this flat brush and I'm going to be taking the black shade from the same palette. You can also use this color like for a pinkish black smoky eye, but I used brown color because it's very universal. I didn't use this color because it's get thoda dark, thoda fade wala brown. Iसीलिए I didn't take this. You can also use this. This is a very nice palette for creating that pinkish black smoky eye. I really like this palette. It also has shimmer shades and it also has a white shade. I'm going to be taking this black shade onto this. It's a very pigmented palette, so don't dig into it. Just tap and then just dust off. And now I'm going to be blending this very nicely. Like you want these two colors to like blend together, so you have to drag it upar, but very lightly, very slowly, very patiently. You just don't want to like go out of the bar and do the makeup like fatafat. Give it 2 minutes and you'll like get that black smoky eye. Next I'm going to be taking this blending brush and I'm gonna take this black shadow like a little bit just to blend that, not a lot, just to blend that brown. And next I'm going to be taking that brown shade and I'm going to just mix it together just to blend everything nicely. I'll do this eye really quick and get back. Next I'm going to fill in my upper eyelid with this. So what are you gonna do? You're just going to put this in the center. Be a little careful. You just have to do like in the center and just do this, and the upper eyelid will be filled with black kajal. Next I'm going to dust off the excess powder that I have. So to balance this everything like this look, I'm going to be taking this brown shade and this blending brush, and then I'm just going to drag this color down. not giving it a proper color, but just that. I'm going to be taking this flat brush really quick, and I'm going to take this black color and I'm going to like drag it to the under lash line. Next I'm going to take this Wet n Wild white pencil and I'm going to fill my eyelid with this. Next I'm going to curl my lashes. I found my curler वैसे. Next I'm going to take this baby. Some brown and pink together. I'm going to mix these two.
Did a lovely swirl on my cheeks.
Next I'm going to be taking this highlighter from Wet n Wild in the shade Blossom Glow. It's in a pink shade and I really like it. I'm just going to take my finger. I'm going to be taking this highlight on my tiny finger and I'm going.
Wow, क्या मिल गया bro? कितनी funny है भाई तू. एक नंबर की funny लड़की funny. I have done the inner corners because
it's your choice. If you want that glam look, you can go for this inner corner highlight, and if not, it's okay, fine. But you can go with the highlight, or you can keep it neutral without highlight, just natural black eye. Next I'm going to be taking this lipstick from Note in the shade Miss Kiss, and the makeup look is done. I hope you guys have enjoyed this makeup look and my unprofessional tricks. Please give it a like if you liked this makeup look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
wow.